All right, you guys, I'm up early. We outside. I'm going to pull up on my boy Bam Cunningham LLC. If you don't know, he does specializes in ceramic coating and paint corrections, and we got a treat for you today. Stay tuned. Oh, yeah, this is the lights make a difference. How much I got down there?
I did up to there. He's working on half of it. I got a little section in the back. Where you can see it's like before and after.
Oh, okay, yeah, you definitely can see it. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, you can see it. That's crazy.
Yeah, I didn't want to do too much before he got here. Because on the sides, it was hard to tell the difference. Like, we can see it, but the camera don't pick it up.
Okay.
Because there's just so much flick in it.
Well, how long it take y'all to tape it?
Probably about an hour and a half.
Oh, that wasn't too bad.
Oh, we're pretty good at taping. Taping comes a little natural. I mean, some cars, it would take forever.
The tape.
Because of like so much gasket, stuff like that.
Oh, you ain't got a shirt on.
Huh?
Y'all get it, my boy Bam. I'm doing all ceramic coatings. What you do, Bam? Ceramic coating and everything, right?
Paint corrections.
Paint corrections.
Wet sanding and buff depending on the scenario. Like that black G-body.
Okay.
Wet sand that.
Okay.
Because it looks pretty rough.
Oh, okay, I can see it. How it's wavy, the paint?
Yeah, wavy, a lot of trash in the paint.
Oh, yeah, okay, I can see it too.
It needed. They're one of my childhood homeboys, so I told him I'm gonna do it for him. Cause he's gonna get it repainted. I was like, if you get it repainted by the same guy, you're gonna get the same thing.
Same results.
Yeah. Man, don'ts. It's hard to get.
You said don't hard to get.
Don't let nobody touch that car.
Oh, you haven't had one yet, have you?
I was supposed to get
We need to get a donk in the shop.
Yeah.
Somebody need to bring my boy a donk. Get that correction going.
Most of them that I talked to already got it done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tape job crazy.
What battery stay?
Downtown.
Downtown?
He stay in the city. I think he in Buckhead.
Oh shit.
Out they working, you can see it too.
So,
32 Pillsbury, box Chevy. It's done by PC. It was painted by PC Customizing. My boy Ant. Sheesh, that rear lip crazy.
just saying before and after. Or the side piece. You're like, damn, that motherfucker wet.
That mother is wet though.
This one I don't want to do, but I can't wait to see the outcome.
Yeah, the outcome of this one gonna be crazy.
It just
don't know if y'all can see what he's talking about, but the paint on here is it's a little rough. Whole lot of texture in it.
A little rough.
Well,
It's a lot rough.
It's definitely rough. So they said they're gonna wet sand and buff it a couple times. One time, two times, few times. Let's see if they can smooth it out and correct it.
Spent a few $100s on sandpaper yesterday just for this. I ain't know sandpaper that expensive.
Yeah, so hopefully they'll save this owner the headache of getting the car repainted again and being stuck in a paint shop for damn months on end.
It's clean though.
It's clean. The G-body clean. Black. It's got the red and orange stripe kit on some 4Gs. Good fit in it. It's a nice car. I wonder what's up under that hood.
I can't show that. You specifically asked.
Oh, okay.
It sounds good.
Okay.
They pulled up at the same time.
Oh, okay.
Like, what you got under the hood? Man, I can't show you that. You're like, man, I be racing.
Oh, okay.
I can start it up for you.
Oh, yeah, all right.
You want it?
Yeah. Start it up, see what it sounds like.
His name is Mike. Mike Gates, 902.
It's Mike what?
Mike Gates, 902.
Mike Gates, 902. Monte Carlo. Cold start, right?
Yeah.
Good old cold start.
was popping
this
like
shit is
crazy.
The bro was jumping.
Yeah, the girl's jumping.
I didn't know you. Did you shoot this car already before?
Uh-huh. But not. This, right. He is out of town clients, man.